Ever felt like your business communication is a tangled mess of wires? Phone calls here, video meetings there, instant messages everywhere, and somehow you're still missing crucial information. You're not alone. We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to untangle those wires, streamline your communication, and boost your team's productivity all at once? Think about it. In today's fast-paced world, seamless communication is the lifeblood of any successful business. Customers expect instant responses, teams need to collaborate effortlessly, and everyone needs to stay connected, no matter where they are. But piecing together a patchwork of different tools, that's a recipe for disaster. Missed calls, delayed responses, and frustrated employees. It's a productivity killer. Now imagine a world where all your communication channels are unified, where you can switch seamlessly from a phone call to a video meeting, share files instantly, and track customer interactions with ease. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's not. It's what 8x8 does. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why this matters. See, communication isn't just about talking. It's about connection. It's about building relationships, fostering collaboration, and delivering exceptional customer experiences. And in today's digital age, those experiences are more important than ever. Think about the last time you had a frustrating customer service experience. Were you put on hold for ages? Did you have to repeat yourself multiple times? Did you feel like the agent didn't really understand your problem? Chances are that company's communication system was failing them, and that failure directly impacted your perception of their brand. On the flip side, think about a time you had a truly exceptional customer experience. Maybe you were able to connect with an agent instantly. They resolved your issue quickly and efficiently, and you felt valued and appreciated. That's the power of effective communication. And that's what 8x8 helps businesses achieve. So, what exactly is 8x8? Simply put, it's a cloud-based communication platform that brings together voice, video, chat, and contact center solutions into a single unified system. Think of it as a central hub for all your business communication needs. Let's break it down. First, there's the voice component. 8x8 provides a robust cloud-based phone system that's packed with features. You can make and receive calls from anywhere, using any device. You can set up call routing, voicemail, and auto-attendant features. And you can even integrate your phone system with other business applications, like your CRM. Next, there's the video component. 8x8 offers high-quality video conferencing that's perfect for team meetings, client presentations, and virtual events. You can share your screen, record meetings, and even use virtual backgrounds. And because it's all integrated into the same platform, you can easily switch from a phone call to a video meeting with just a few clicks. Then there's the chat component. 8x8 provides instant messaging and team collaboration tools that make it easy for your team to stay connected and communicate in real time. You can create group chats, share files, and even integrate with other messaging apps. And finally, there's the contact center component. 8x8 offers a comprehensive suite of contact center solutions that help businesses deliver exceptional customer experiences. You can manage inbound and outbound calls, track customer interactions, and even use AI-powered tools to automate tasks and improve efficiency. But what really sets 8x8 apart is its unified platform. It's not just a collection of separate tools. It's a single, integrated system that makes it easy for your team to communicate and collaborate. Imagine this: a customer calls your support line. The agent answers the call and quickly identifies the customer's issue, but they need to collaborate with a colleague in another department. With 8x8, the agent can instantly switch to a video meeting, share their screen, and resolve the issue in real time. The customer is happy, the agent is efficient, and the company's reputation is enhanced. Or imagine this: your sales team is working on a big deal. They need to communicate with multiple stakeholders, share documents, and track progress. With 8x8, they can do it all in one place. They can create a dedicated chat room, share files instantly, and even use video conferencing to connect with clients. But 8x8 isn't just for big businesses. It's also ideal for small and medium-sized businesses that are looking to streamline their communication and improve their customer service. With its flexible pricing plans and easy-to-use interface, 8x8 makes it easy for businesses of all sizes to get started. And here's the real kicker: 8x8's commitment to innovation. They're constantly developing new features and enhancements to help businesses stay ahead of the curve. They're investing heavily in AI and machine learning to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and deliver even better customer experiences. But let's be real. Technology is only as good as the people who use it. That's why 8x8 also provides comprehensive training and support to help businesses get the most out of their platform. They offer online resources, live training sessions, and dedicated support teams. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how does it actually benefit my business? Well, let's talk about some of the key benefits of using 8x8. First, it improves productivity. By unifying all your communication channels, 8x8 eliminates the need to switch between different tools, saving your team time and effort. Second, it enhances collaboration. By providing instant messaging, video conferencing, and file sharing tools, 8x8 makes it easy for your team to communicate and collaborate in real time. Third, it improves customer service. By providing a comprehensive suite of contact center solutions, 8x8 helps businesses deliver exceptional customer experiences. Fourth, it reduces costs. By consolidating your communication infrastructure, 8x8 can help you save money on hardware, software, and maintenance. And fifth, it increases flexibility. Because 8x8 is a cloud-based platform, it's accessible from anywhere on any device. This means your team can stay connected and productive even when they're working remotely. In essence, 8x8 is about empowering businesses to communicate better, collaborate more effectively, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. It's about breaking down communication silos and creating a seamless, unified experience for everyone. It's about being present, connected, and efficient, all at the same time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.